Alright, hey guys, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to discuss a common question that I've been receiving, actually two questions. Why am I not ranking in the top 100, and I fell out of the top 10? So I'm going to cover these questions, I'll give some answers. I wrote down some quick, brief answers here. I'm currently on vacation, so I'm not at the office, but I wanted to make sure that I put out a little something. So basically, if you're not ranking in the top 100 with a keyword targeted page, really that should rank within the top 100 in about 2 to 4 weeks. So, and that's going to be in most cases. So if you're not in the top 100, there are a few reasons why, and that's really the point of this video. So number one reason would be your website is not authoritative enough. Now, authoritative enough generally would mean that you need to build more backlinks to your website as a whole. Not just specifically to that page, but to the whole page, the whole website as a whole. Now, other than that, number two, if your website is brand new, this would be a reason that you're not ranking in the top 100. You see, new websites are a lot less predictable, really, because Google's algorithms and Google does not trust a brand new website right away. So in this case, the best thing that you could do or should do is you need to be patient, build niche related backlinks, quality backlinks, and then start producing more content assets based around particular keywords related to your industry or niche. So number three is if your site is penalized. Now, if your site's penalized, you can almost guarantee that you're not going to rank in the top 100 when you produce a piece of content irrelevant of the age or the quality of your website. So number three is if you're penalized. If you do not have Search Console installed, I would install Search Console. This will certainly help you out, figure out if your pages or website has been penalized. So, and to be honest with you, if you're putting out a piece of content on an age domain or a site that already has backlinks, and it's not ranking on the top 100 when you first release it, you can bet your bottom dollar that probably you might be penalized or you just have poor quality content. So number four, and that's going to really lead me into number four, is maybe your page is not giving enough value. If your page doesn't have enough value, if it's not more valuable, or maybe approaching the keyword from a different angle, right? This could be a lot of the reasons why that your pages are not ranking in the top 100. All right, so that's going to lead me to if you've already been ranking, if you have an aged website, but you've already been ranking and you fell out of top 10, all right? If you've already fell out of top 10, the fluctuation in the SERPs is very normal. So in most cases, number one is going to be just wait. So if you've had hundreds of keywords fall out of top 10, you just need to sit and wait due to the reason that the SERPs fluctuate. As sites are built and as sites come in, you're going to see fluctuation. So you just need to sit and wait, be patient, build out more keyword-rich assets, and then also build more, of course, backlinks. So number two, if you have lost backlinks, I'm not sure the software or the tool that you're using, if you're using Moz, if you're using Ahrefs, if you're using Majestic, if you're losing backlinks consistently, that means that you're also losing anchors to your site. It may not be a direct ranking factor, but if you're consistently losing backlinks and losing keyword, exact match keyword anchor text to your site, you could lose position for particular keywords. It really only makes sense. Brings me to number three. If your competition is getting stronger. So as time goes on, competitors become more authoritative, competitors might bring more people on, but your competition could start beginning to get a lot stronger, so it's really shifting the SERP. If your website is penalized again, so if you're seeing a progressive decrease in your rankings, if you're seeing keywords fall out of the rankings, you really need to check to see if you have a penalization. This is crucial. Now, along with that is over-optimization. If you're over-optimizing a page, and this could be just a few more exact matches on the page, could push you over. So really take a look at the SERPs that are out there right now. Take a look who's ranking above you or who's beating you now. See what their keyword density is, their exact matches, their partials, and see if yours is grossly over. If it's grossly over or grossly under, you're going to fall out of rank. Let me just double check and make sure I don't have any other keys that I want to touch on. That's really going to wrap up everything. If you're not ranking, backlinks, more content assets, check penalization, check your tools, make sure you're getting enough backlinks. If you're a new website, you need to be patient, build out more assets. This is really going to wrap up today's video. If you have any questions regarding SEO, local SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, PPC, I mean really anything digital marketing related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO digital marketing video. Have a wonderful day.